Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I have two questions from you. Do you need money? Do you want to earn online? If the answer of both these questions is yes, then you are in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you how to earn money online. Viewers, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Today I'm going to tell you about three main sources of earning money, right? The first one is Fiverr. That is one of the best freelance platform, and the second is Upwork, and the third one is YouTube. Why I am giving you these three options? Because I am earning from these first two sources, and hopefully in near future I will earn from YouTube too. So let's get started and I'll tell you in detail how to earn money, right? Let's get started. So this is my transaction. So I think someday you will also have this transaction. I have just started, right? So you can see this is earning from my Upwork. What I did, I'll tell you. I'll share my experience. First you have to make your profile on Fiverr. You can search fiverr.com, then you have to make your profile. After making your profile, you have to create some gigs, right? This is the list of what you can do, right? For example, you can see my gigs. What I am saying, I will do professional video editing, I will do Word, Excel or any data entry work, I will create professional WordPress website, I will teach video editing, I will add professional subtitles and captions, I will do data entry in Excel sheet, etc. So this is what I can do. This way, we have to create profile, you have to upload your pictures, etc, your educational, your description, your languages, etc. After that you have to create gigs, right? So in some another video I will show you how to create gig, and this is some of the review I have received from different clients. They are from US, Spain, UK, etc. These are few of the options. I'll show you what you can do, right? This is the website of Fiverr. Over here there are about 8 main categories, and they have subcategories. You can see in graphic and design main category there are a lot of subcategories. You can see over here: UX design, vector tracing, resume design, flyer design, t-shirts. So there are a lot of options. I am hopeful that you will know at least one of these skills. If you don't know, there's YouTube, you can learn. Then there's digital marketing category, and there are sub skills, right? And there is writing and translation, and there are further some skills you can see over here. Then there's video and animation, and there are a lot of further options which you can do, like drone videography, local photography, video advice, book trailers, game trailers, etc. Then you have music, audio. You can do voiceover if you have good speaking and communication skills, mixing and mastering. So there are a lot of things. Then there's programming and tech. You can do WordPress. If you don't know any of these skills, you can learn from YouTube. Then there's business, then there's lifestyle. So you can search for these by yourself. These are the trending, right? NFT arts, etc. This is trending, SEO, right? So this is the one way. What I am selling is I'm doing video editing, I'm doing Excel data entry work, and I'm teaching video editing on through Zoom and Google Meet, right? I can do data entry, etc. So this is what I'm doing, and I'm earning from this thing, and I'm earning from selling these skills because I know video editing, I know Excel data entry, I can create a website on WordPress. That's very easy, drag and drop. I have learned these skills from YouTube. And let me remind you, I have learned all these skills from YouTube. No one has taught me these skills. Now let's discuss about another source of income, that is Upwork. Upwork is also one of the top ranking freelance website. First you have to make profile, right? Like you can see I have made my profile. There's some description, my languages, right, my education. So after that what you will do, you have to search. I'll show you what you can do. You go to Upwork. I'll show you how to find work over here. For example, let me tell you, I can do data entry. What I will search? Data entry. When I search for data entry, so this is the sum of the work, right? This is some of the tasks I can do, right? There are a lot of options. there are a lot of results, right? So there are 15,804 jobs related to data entry. So you can see I can do this, you can do this, you can do this. So for this purpose you have to apply for this job, right? What you can do, first you have to search your work, then you can click on this task. For example, I'll go for this one, right? I will check the description, what he's asking from me. You can see he's asking for data entry. He has posted just 8 minutes ago. The budget is $1,000 and he's asking for entry-level person. What skill you should have? You should have Excel, Word, data entry, Google Docs, accounting basics. So you must know these skills. If you don't know these skills, you can learn them on YouTube. Now you can submit proposal for this post, for this job. If the clients like your proposal, he will assign you this task. This is the second way. The third way is you can make your channel. You upload videos which are helpful or entertaining for people. If your videos got 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then your channel will be eligible for monetization. After monetization, for each and every view you will get money from YouTube. These are the 3 ways I have tested and I have received money. I'm earning money from these 2 ways, and hopefully in future I will get money from this my third source, that is YouTube. These are the 3 main tested options. Today you will sit on your laptop and create your profile on Fiverr, get your profile on Upwork and start selling your skills. If you have any question, please you can ask me in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.